This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin on the Shorts feed in Chrome. Open DevTools now and go to Console. Once there, you'll paste a tiny JavaScript line that simulates the next action every 5 seconds so you can watch hands-free. Make sure the Page tab remains active because the script needs focus to trigger the same UI element repeatedly. If you use a different browser, the process is identical. Open DevTools and use the console. This gets you running immediately without installing it. Now you'll paste a loop that finds the short's next control and clicks it automatically. This is how it works and why it's reliable. For example, set interval to 5,000 to give each short 5 seconds. Once done, you can change it to 2,000 for quicker skim. Make sure the selector matches the current UI. If the site structure differs, update the query selector string. While running, you can pause or tweak timing from the console, which keeps control immediate and visible. To finish, clear the interval in console or simply refresh the tab. That stops the automated clicks instantly. If the script stops working, first check the selector. The Shorts UI changes frequently, so replace the query selector with the current button or video container element. Also make sure the tab has focus and DevTools remain open during testing. If nothing works, reduce permissions. Try a private window or disable extensions that may block injected scripts, and then reapply the snippet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.